Hi guys, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. Thank you for joining me in another video. I'll be showing you how to make Spanish rice. Spanish rice can be served as a side dish and it can be enjoyed as a main dish, and you will get to love this easy Spanish rice recipe. So let's get cooking. Now, to make this authentic Spanish rice, I'm going to start by rinsing 1.5 cup of long grain rice under running water. You can use Basmati rice. Once I'm done rinsing my rice and the water has turned out clear, I'll leave it to sit in the water for a few minutes, then later strain it out. Next, let's move on to prepare other ingredients. I'm just going to place a pan on heat. To the pan, I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil is heated, I'll go ahead and add in 4 minced garlic. I'll saute this for 30 seconds until it starts to fragrance. Next, I'll add in 1 chopped onion to the garlic. I'm also going to saute this. Once the onion starts to fragrance as well, I'm going to add in the drained rice. And then I'll saute the rice for about 2 to 3 minutes until it starts to brown up a little bit. After 3 minutes of toasting the rice in the oil, it is slightly brown. The essence of browning this is to give it a nutty flavor and also to prevent the rice from being sticky once it's cooked. Next, I'm going to go in with tomato sauce. I'll also add in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Next, I'll add in green bell pepper, chopped red bell pepper, and a 1/4 cup of peas. I'm just going to cook this for a little while until the vegetables are a little bit soft. After cooking this for a minute, I'm going to add in 2.5 cups of rich chicken stock. Just before it comes to a boil, I'm going to add in some seasoning. So I'm going in with half a teaspoon of chili pepper, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of oregano, and a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Saffron is often used for making this Spanish rice, but I'm using turmeric to give it the characteristic yellow color. And lastly, I'll be adding in salt, and then I will stir everything and make sure it combines. Once the rice starts to boil, I'm just going to reduce the heat to medium setting, then place the lid over it and allow it to cook until it's tender. I've been cooking this for the past 20 minutes. Just before the water dries up completely, I'm going in with some chili. I just chop up 1 fresh chili, and then I'll be adding in sweet corn kernel. So I'm using 1/2 cup of corn kernel. I'm going in with chopped celery, just a handful, and some green onion. I'm just going to gently stir this and make sure everything combines. Spanish rice can be made with or without much vegetables like this. So because I love vegetables, I decided to include as much as I can. Now I'm still going to place the lid over it and allow it to cook until the water dries up completely. Okay, I've been cooking my Spanish rice for the last 10 minutes and the water has dried up. What I'm just going to do is to use a fork to fluff the rice, and this is really smelling amazing. I love the smell and the flavor of this Spanish rice. You can see every grain of rice stays separated. It's not sticky at all. This is really perfect and is what you're looking for. At this point, I'm going to turn off my heat. So guys, our easy Spanish rice recipe is ready. Every grain of this Spanish rice is loaded with rich flavor, and I love it so much. You can easily make this with beans, with minced beef, or with more vegetables. I hope you've learned how to make Spanish rice at home. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell button so you don't miss any video, and don't forget to share this wonderful recipe with your friends and loved ones. Give me a thumbs up also. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye for now.